How to get cheap car insurance in Arizona. Discovering the best Arizona auto insurance quotes. This video is designed to help you save money on your Arizona car insurance. At the end of the video, we will reveal to you a little trick that has helped us save tons of money on our auto insurance in Arizona. The number one mistake made by Arizona car insurance seekers is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind in Arizona is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate in Arizona is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differs tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you in Arizona. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers, less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. But before that, here are some tips to help you lower your car insurance rates. Before you buy a car, compare insurance costs. One of your considerations when shopping for a new or a used car should be the insurance costs. Car insurance rates are based in part on the price of the car, the cost to repair it, its overall safety record, and the likelihood of theft. Ask for higher deductibles. Deductibles are what you pay before your insurance policy kicks in. Consider increasing the amount of your deductible. Decide how much of the initial loss to your automobile you can afford to pay, and see what deductibles various companies offer. By requesting higher deductibles, you can lower your costs substantially. Reduce coverage on older cars. Consider dropping collision and/or comprehensive coverages on older cars. If your car is worth less than 10 times the premium, purchasing the coverage may not be cost-effective. Buy your homeowners and auto coverage from the same insurer. Many insurance providers will give you a break if you buy 2 or more types of insurance. You may also get a reduction if you have more than one vehicle insured with the same company. Some insurers reduce the rates for long-time customers. Maintain a good credit record. Establishing a solid credit history can cut your insurance costs. Many insurance companies use credit information to price auto insurance policies. Paying premiums. You can save on service charges by paying premiums in full, rather than on a quarterly or month-to-month basis. Take advantage of low mileage discounts. Some insurers offer discounts to car owners who drive a lower than average number of miles per year. Low mileage discounts can also apply to drivers who carpool to work. Ask about group insurance. Some companies offer reductions to drivers who get insurance through a group plan from their employers. Through professional, business and alumni groups, or from other associations. Ask your employer, and inquire with groups or clubs you are a member of, to see if this is possible. Avoid duplicating medical coverage. If you already have good health, life and disability insurance, buy only the minimum personal injury protection required by the state where you live. Now, as promised, here is a little trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service. Toll free at 1-855-981-7528. This is a free by phone service that provides multiple company insurance rates specific to your location. See how companies compete for your business. We call this service each year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it useful, we would appreciate it if you leave a like.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video.